in someone's hands now, apart from Big Basket, including your phone number, your password, your email address, and your home address. Right? That is scary, isn't it? So that is what the security means. What we cover is security aspect, right? So when you design a website, how to secure a website is that is what covered in this topic. Now you will have a question. I think I'll take another 5 minutes to just brief. Um, See, there's a website called Fiverr. If you go to this website, you can just type WordPress. So Bindu, I got your email 2 days back. I think this will answer your question, right? If you see here, if you learn a website design using WordPress, right? So later in future, right? Of course, I'm asking you guys to work with me for a couple of months at least, right? At least for 2 years. I'm asking to work. But post that, you are asking what is the opportunities you guys can get. I'm telling you. One is, you know, you can work with us, right? Other thing, job. You can do a job, traditional job, right? How many everyone is working these days, right? You guys can work for some company and all. Same way, whatever you're learning here, you can work for some company because there are a lot of companies who is looking for people who can do website work and all, right? So for them you can work. So it is not that mandatory you have to work for IT company only. There is all the companies who is looking for expertise on all these subjects. They need a person who can do website design, who can do content writing, digital marketing, ads, right? Even if you take a small scale business, right? They have to advertise on Google these days. Without that, they cannot survive in the industry, right? That will be covered with us. So you can actually work in a job. That means you can work in IT company like big companies like IBM, HP, and all, Infosys, Wipro. These companies you can work with these expertise, or else you can work non-IT companies like Hindustan Lever, who manufacture toothpaste, right? Who makes toothpaste and beauty items and all, cosmetics and all. You can work with them as a normal employee job, traditional, right? Job is what, 9 to 6, right? But our main goal is not 9 to 6 job, right? People should have a freedom and passion to work, right? That is where we say freelancing normally, right? So you can work on these freelancing projects. That's what I'm showing you here in the back screen, right? So you can charge however you want, depending on the quality you're providing, depending on the service and support. You can charge how much ever you want. See, there's a person who's charging 3,000 rupees, there's a person 8,000 rupees. And same time, there's a person who charges you more than a lakh. Okay, you see this one. This guy is charging 72,000 rupees, right? So I'll just click on this and show you. See, he's doing a website which is 2 pages website design, right? If you ask me, you can do a 2 page website design within 1 day. And see, this guy is charging 72,000. Why? Because he's not just doing a WordPress website, he's doing SEO optimization, right? Then let us see standard. See, he's charging 1,27,000 rupees. Okay, and he's asking for 3 weeks time, right? That means there is a demand for this, and which you can learn without technical knowledge or technical skills. You can learn this within a week and start developing websites within a day. If I show you the practically, you will be surprised how much speed you can do a website design. Okay, then let us go to the next one more topic, maybe Facebook ads. So let's take the verified thing. Okay, see, this is 93,000 rupees he's charging, right? Let us not go to the highest, you know. So this is also verified, right? So let us see why he is charging 10,000 rupees. See, he's writing ad copy, that's it. He's not doing any Facebook ads for you. He's just doing what? He's writing a ad copy for you, and that means copywriting. Okay, I'll show you maybe one example. See, like this is like, where you see your Facebook ads, right? This is what it shows: a simple line which will tell you everything about the product. For that, he's charging 10,000 rupees, and standard 13,000, premium 38,000 rupees, right? So this is the, once you learn these topics, you can charge your, to clients. That is called freelancing. Third thing is, you can start your own agency, right? In future, if you want to start your own agency, you can actually use these skills to start your own agency. Okay. So Bindu, did you get the your questions answered? You are still having any questions?
Yeah, I got it.
Cool. Okay, so this is what we'll be learning. So there are people who's taken 90 days program, right? Sorry about my writing. And there are people who take in 1 month program. So we actually designed two programs for you. One is for the people who is working, or students who cannot spend the whole day. For them, it's a 90 days program we are actually designed. And for others, like who can do full time, like uh, maybe 8 to 10 hours or more than that, who can spend and say, sir, we can learn. Uh, within a 1 month, we can learn certain subjects as a expert level. That means I'm not expecting everyone to, become expert on all these subjects. Maybe at least two topics, right? 2, 3 topics. If you guys can learn, then 30 days training will be sufficient for them. Okay. So this is for the people who can do minimum 8 to 10 hours per day. They should spend. This 90 days program is for the people who should spend 4 to 6 hours minimum, right? Post this 90 days, right? You will have a question. I'm requesting, like, you have to work with us for 18 months to 2 years, right? So whoever is spending this 4 to 6 hours per day with us, they'll be getting a basic package of 3 to 5,000 rupees plus incentives, right? Then the same way, full time who is working, they'll be getting 8 to 12,000 rupees salary plus incentives. Okay, so I'll tell you how what all things will be covered, how you guys can do all these top things. Okay, so right now we have almost 20 people working with us, who is working, morning, like say for them, it's session starts at one sec. So morning 5:30 to, the session starts. These are like more of them is students. They're students actually. Initially, it was 2 hours class. First 1.5 month, it was 2 hours class. Then slowly, what happened is, like, now 5:30 to 6:30 class will be there. Then next 1 or 2 hours they'll be working, right, in the morning time. Then evening again, the people are there who is like, same, like, 6 to 7. They'll be attending the class. Then again 7 to 8 or 7 to 9 they'll be working. Apart from this, that is up to their, time. If they wanted to work in the daytime, afternoon after the college hours, or sometime they can spend time. So what we're expecting is certain. I'll show you the their progress as well. So you guys will be getting, sorry, you guys will be getting the these licenses of Microsoft 365 and all other tools. See, we have actually segregated teams like this. Team 21, 22, 23 like this. See, these are the people who is already working with us. So maybe most of you got references from your friends, right? So your friends might be in this program already. So if you see, every day they'll be creating certain design here, right? So see this team, they're working like 1, 2, 3. This month I'm talking about 8, 9, 10, 11. Till yesterday they're working here, right? So they're creating the posters. What is this posters? I'll show you. See, something like this. Simple, you guys might be seeing a lot of advertisements and all, right? Or, Facebook, Instagram posts and all. This is for that. And they're also writing content. Now, if I take Asma, see, traveling, landing page, Google Doc, education and its importance. Like this, they're writing whatever they know, or if they don't know, I'll be giving them some ideas, right? I'll be showing them. So they're writing on all those topics, right? So you'll be getting a platform like this. Yeah, of course, Office 365 platform where you can collaborate, right? We can work together. It is not that you're working alone or something. So once that you guys get a basic knowledge, you guys can do two things. One is you can work individually if you are okay, or else you can work as a team. Like 2, 3 people or 5 people will become a team, and we all work together. So this is how it is happening here. Now, if you take this one, you see here every day they are actually creating certain posters here. Right now, I'll just show you. They are working. This is about the books actually. Books they are writing. They are writing about like gardening, anything you guys interested about. They are writing about that. Basically, here last 2, 3 weeks they are working on a books posters. Right. This is a simple. I mean, you guys say it is difficult or easy to do?
Easy to do.
Cool. Right. So how they're creating these designs is, you guys will have a question. Bindu, I'm not able to hear you. You're
Yeah, I'm listening.
okay. So here, what we do is, I'll give you a certain tool called Canva. Right. So when you writing these designs and writing stuff, you need to have some tool called, there are multiple tools, of course. So we use something called Canva. But if you say, Prakash, I know better tool than this, please suggest. Okay. But until then, you guys can work on this. Canva has a free version. You guys will be practicing on free version for first starting. Then slowly, within a week or less than that, or maybe if you guys are comfort with that, then you'll get a paid version. Right. Then, so content writing, how many of you know uh, we can write content? Like in college days, you guys get assignments, right? You know,
Yeah.
in school days, I used to get punishment, right? Like, writing assignment and all. So you guys, if you guys feel like it is difficult to do, right? Don't worry. There is a tools, right? We use something called Grammarly. How many of you know what is Grammarly? Okay, so Grammarly is a small tool which will keep correcting you, right? You need not to worry about how you're writing and all. You just start writing, it will tell you where things are going wrong. So this is a tool we use. So to just show you how it works, how it helps. So I'm just showing you my, this is my free account I'm showing you so that you will get an understanding what it is, how it works. See, now this tool will help you finding out how better you're writing, right? See, 2273 words checked, right? And how I'm writing. See, normally when people are talking to you, right? Um, yeah. So when you people are, hi Aruna, your cam is getting on. You can close that. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, guys. See, it is telling you how many words are getting changed, how better you're writing. And if you see here, this is a tone, right? When you're talking to people, normally what will happen is, if you're face to face only, you will come to know how they're speaking to you, right? They're speaking to you in low pitch or high pitch, or what to say, they're angry or what it is, right? But the same thing, you can actually do it in your writing as well, right? That will tell you, I mean, this tool will help you how you're writing. Now, if you see whatever I'm writing, I'm neutral 33%, 22% friendly, 22% optimistic, 13% confident, and 2% joyful, right? So when I'm writing, each email differs, right? I mean, each email or each writing, it will be differ. When I'm trying to communicate to someone, it keep differs, right? Like, see, this one more report. See, this one is appreciative 23%. See, neutral 14%. So even your writing actually defines what you are, right? That this tool will help you. So we'll be telling you or teaching you, when you're writing content writing, you can, by using this, you can actually, if you expect, right, Prakash, I'm good at only 20%, I'm good at this. Don't worry. Grammarly will make you 50% better at that, right? So remaining, you have to improve yourself, right? It will correct grammatical mistakes, spelling mistakes, tone, it will suggest basically. So that also you have a free version and paid version, right? So first you will start with the free version. Then once you have the basic idea, you will get a paid login as well, right? So that is a Grammarly. Then what are the tools I shown you here? This Teams and all. These also you'll get. That is called Office 365. So this is a paid version again. There's no free version in this. Initially, we'll communicate with WhatsApp or Telegram, etc. But once you guys are little confident, saying that Prakash, yes, we are, warmed up, then you guys actually will use these platforms. What are the timeline you put? See, I'm not saying that you have to attend this program only these timings and you have to practice these timings only. There is no restriction like that, right? It is, you guys should have a freedom for yourself and you should have a passion to work. That's it, right? So whatever time you decide, you have to log in this tool and be ready, right? Anytime, if you're attending the program or how you are attending, all that will be, okay, one sec. Yeah, sorry. So you'll get Office 365. So in this one, what will happen is once you log in, right, I'll be able to see who and all is online here. So that we can collaborate, we can work together, right? In this one, you'll get email. You'll get an email ID. You'll get OneDrive. How many of you know what is OneDrive?
Google Drive అట్లాంటిది.
Cool. Yes, Gayatri. So OneDrive will get, Google Drive will give you, free version will give you 15 GB, right? Paid version will give you 30 GB. Okay, 15 GB it is. This gives you 30 GB, right? But here, email you will get 50 GB access. OneDrive you will get 1 TB access, right? Uh, yeah, 1 TB you will get. Then apart from this, you will get something called SharePoint. Right now, how the team is collaborating, right? Using SharePoint. Okay, so this access you will get. Why I'm telling you is, I can say you will get Office 365 email ID and I can close it. But why I'm trying to tell you all these things here, this is very important again. Now, maybe few of you interested in technology related stuff like cloud technology or security, right? For them, this is important. Learning email is important. Learning email, OneDrive is important. Learning SharePoint is very high demanding as well. So maybe you guys try to find out, post the session, you guys go and try to find out what is SharePoint, or, you can just type jobs on SharePoint, right? You can try to find out. Then you'll get to know what is importance of SharePoint. Okay. So here you guys are not only just practicing, you are actually working on live, right? Until unless you guys work in some big companies, right, you'll not get opportunity to do all this exploring and all. Here you do that. Okay. Of course, you say, Prakash, we need some other tools we want to practice, you can just talk to us, right? I'll try to get those tools. Now, first, when you're talking about cloud technology, uh, I know only two platforms, like say Azure. Azure is Microsoft platform. Then we use something called AWS, which is Amazon, right? Now I can say on these two things, on Azure, though I'm actually more than above 60%, I can say I'm knowledgeable. On AWS, yeah, 50% I can say. But if you say, Prakash, I want to learn IBM Cloud, right? I might not be the right person, right? But you need not to worry. If you say, Prakash, I want to learn IBM Cloud, I'll get that expertise for you. Who can help you on that IBM Cloud, right? Who will help you, who will teach you all the stuff. Or else I'll provide you resources to work on that. Okay, it is as simple as that. So, guys, any questions here? Anyone has any questions up to here? Okay, so I'll proceed. So these are the topics you guys will learn. So I'm telling you what, once you learn these subjects or technologies, right? You will have three options. What is that? One is you can do a typical traditional method, right? Job like everyone does. But our main agenda would be what? Having your own projects or having your own profile created, which is called freelancing, right? You can do freelancing. And third thing is what? Having your own agency, guys. That means you can do your own agency and you can actually train people, right? So why actually we selected this, right? You guys will have a question now. Why are we doing these things, right? So basically my goal is to have a platform created for people to learn these technologies, right? Basically, about me, I worked as IT head for last 12 years. I worked for Fortune, ITC Fortune hotels. Then Hyderabad I worked for Marriott. Chennai I worked for Residency Group, right? And last 6 7 years I worked with the IT company called IDS as a IT head, right? So where I got like a lot of cloud technologies I'm able to work on. So I worked as a solution architect. I used to design solutions for hotels like security, firewalls, servers, networking, all these things. Apart from that, these are my, passion to learn these technologies. And now last 1 year, we started our own startup now. So why we are working on these things is, in the initial mail also I briefed you, right? We are looking at actually targeting edtech industry now. What is edtech? Okay, how many of you know what is udemy.com or pluralsight.com? Okay, so edtech is a company's industry, online learning, right? You guys might have heard of White Hat Junior, right? Um, you guys might have heard of White Hat Junior or what is that? Byju's,
Yes, sir. Proper.
right? So White Hat Junior or Byju's. Now these guys, what they're doing is they're actually scaring people, right? They're scaring people and collecting money. If you ask me, right? That's my. You take Byju's. They're charging huge, not some thousands. They're telling people that if your kids, right, I mean, if you have a kids who is a 10 years old kid, and if he's not learning coding, they'll say they're going to waste their life, right? So parents are getting scared and making them attend these programs by paying lakhs, right? For this, Shah Rukh Khan comes and gives an advertisement, right? So now I don't mind Shah Rukh Khan coming and giving advertisement. Now the problem is not everyone has money like Shah Rukh Khan, right? Everyone cannot spend lakhs, but people are selling things to get these courses for their kids. Parents are selling things to get these kids learn these technologies. See, now normally if you take a middle class family, how much they can afford, right? Maybe now even if you take this pandemic time, they can spend like say 5,000 rupees for a basic mobile, right? But this White Hat Junior or Byju's says you have to buy an iPad, okay, which is not less than 30,000 rupees, right? So that's how they actually pushing the making business here, right? So now I'm not saying they are doing wrong or something, but yes, we should have something where everyone should be able to reach or learn something, right? That means there's a person who is working in a hotel, right? Say, I worked in hotels for last 10 plus years, right? So I see a lot of people who has skills, right? Who has knowledge, but they are not qualified enough or they don't have an option to learn something. So their life is wasted. That means they'll work as a steward or, something like that. But they have a passion to work on something, but they cannot work because they don't have a platform to learn something. So what we should do, I have in mind is we should create some platform where people should be able to learn anything on that platform. Right. Now, see, if you ask me, I can teach these subjects, right? Now, if I'm able to teach you, maybe 20, 30% also, for the person who don't know anything, for him, I'll become, right, valued, right? Now, maybe take a person who don't know about website design, 0% he knows, right? Now I'm going and teaching him at least 30%. So for him, I become a value, right? I'm giving some value addition to that guy, right? That's what I want to do it here. It's not that we have to teach 100%. No, there's a everyone, even auto driver, or you take any person, hotel working person, right? Everyone is carrying a smartphone these days. Now, if you can give them some uh, platform where they can learn something better, will it help or not? Please raise the hands. I'm not asking you guys to answer now. Please raise the hands if you guys are understanding what I'm trying to say. Thanks, Angababu. Thanks, Bindu. Right. So if you can create something, thanks, Sriram. Gayatri. If you can create a platform like this, people will be able to come to you. Right. So these platforms are right. You can talk about any subject, right? Maybe I am talking about Facebook ads, right? Now you will have again, some people will asking me actually recently when I'm talking about this thing, they're saying, Prakash, there are subjects in YouTube, right? YouTube people can learn anything. But tell me honestly, if you want to learn something, how many languages it's available. That means if I'm a layman, I don't even know basic English, right? Can I learn something solid on YouTube? Yes. If I'm actually putting concentration, first I have to learn English, then I have to learn something, right? But how easily people can learn is, I don't think it is possible on YouTube, right? Why? Because people are, even though they're keen to, they don't get something organized, right? So if I'm learning Facebook ads, right? If I'm a layman, and if you can teach me in my mother tongue, which is Telugu, right? If you're teaching me in Telugu, I'll be more keen to learn that, right? So what are the platform we are designing? We have to have a in regional languages. That's why I'm actually, see, initial batch is from Andhra and Karnataka, but right now what I'm looking at is for people across the globe, right? That means they should be able to teach in all the languages. Whether you know a subject, you can teach in whatever languages you know, or else whatever subjects you're learning here, you can teach like that it is. So I'll just show you. See, of course, I'm talking about no money here, right? That means when you're teaching, you cannot make money. I'm saying that, right? But it is not as simple as that. It is little more process oriented, right? How it is, you'll get to know little while. See, guys, if you see this one, you'll come to know. By 2020, it is $227 billion. And going forward, by 2025, they're expecting 5.2%. See, right now they're spending 3.6%. Going forward, it is going to be 5.2%, right? And that is $404 billion. Okay, so anyone knows 404, I mean, $1 billion is how much? I'm actually bad at maths, so
7,000 crores, sir.
7,000?
Crores, sir.
Super, Gayatri. So into 404, guys. Okay, that means next 4 years, or not 4 years actually, we are at 2021, right? Next 3 to 4 years down the line, we are seeing the market is growing like double the value, right? So this is how it is. So when I say people are charging so much and if we can give something free, it is not actually free, right? So I told you. Now today, since I'm meeting you guys, most of you guys today first time, you will be thinking, right, what this guy is talking about. But if you know each other for a long, right? Now, okay, maybe take Sriram. Sriram is teaching a mathematics subject, right? How to easily, study maths. He's teaching me that subject, and I'm attending his class more than a month now. Okay. Now, after attending this class, he's offering me free classes. So Sriram is offering me free classes, right? So I'm attending his program for more than a month. Now, after 1 month, he says he'll be having say maybe 50 students attending his mathematics class. Right. So now what will happen is after 1 month, he says, guys, this is a good book about maths, right? You guys can try it. He says that in these 50 students, at least 20 students will go and buy it or not. Sriram, do you buy?
Yes, yes.
Right. So that is what here we are doing, guys. Right. That means we are not trying to enforce anyone saying that you have to buy something like this. Right. We will first start engaging with them. We'll start talking to them, helping them. Right. Basically, we are helping people. So what will happen is slowly you will have a trust created. Right. See, right now, if you listen to me, right, today you will think, I might be sounding weird or strange. But once you start learning subjects, right, it depends how I'm engaging with you, right? Whether I'm actually communicating whatever you're expecting in your way, whether I'm communicating or not. All these things are actually covered here, right? So once you get to know that, so when people go and start suggesting things, right, then you'll get. So here, when I'm talking about teaching with no money, right, it is not actually no. So I'll show you now. So in my introduction session, I already briefed you. So let me go to amazon.in. Now maybe Gayatri is teaching me about financial management. Okay. So now what will happen is she can go and suggest a book. Books. So she can go and suggest a book when she's teaching about financial management. Now, okay. So this is a book. How many of you know this book? Have you read?
Yes, I know about that.
Okay, Gayatri. Yeah. So when she's teaching, Gayatri is teaching about financial management. So people started listening to her class for more than a week. Now what she will do is she will go and suggest this book. Now what benefit she gets? Nothing, right? She won't get any benefit, isn't it? But guys, there is something called affiliate marketing here we covered, right? This topic, if you learn, now what she can do is she can go and talk to Amazon and says, see guys, I have a 1,000 followers in my Instagram account, or I have 100 students, right? I'm going to recommend this book to my 100 students. So when they buy this book, right, I need some incentive. So this book is costing what? 330 rupees, right? Now what if she can get 5 rupees of it? It's a good deal, right? If 100 people, 100 students are buying, 100 into 5 rupees, how much he gets? Aruna? Aruna, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. 500.
Cool. So I just want to confirm if you guys are able to hear. Yeah. So what I'm saying is, if she can go and partner with Amazon and says that, see, I have 100 students with me, and I'm going to recommend this book, right? So Amazon says, okay, Gayatri, please go and recommend this book. When your students buy this book, I'll pay you 5 rupees of it, right? She'll be happy, right? So what she will do, she will go and recommend this book. So now how that is happens is Amazon gives you that process called Amazon Associate, guys. There's some, sorry, I'm searching. Amazon Associates. Yep, you see this one. Okay, I'm zooming in. I don't know how many of you are attending from mobile. See this. Now she's recommending books, right? You take this subject, books. So no books, they're paying you 5%, guys. That means not she gets 5 rupees. She gets what? 5% of 330 is what? More than 50 rupees, right? Oh, sorry, 15 rupees. So into 100, she is going to get what? 1500 rupees. Not 500 rupees, she is going to get, when 100 students of her buys that book, she is going to get 1500 rupees. Okay, so this is called affiliate marketing. Okay, now like this, you guys can, it is easy, guys, right? Once you start learning this process, once you start learning what is content writing, right? And website design, these two topics, once you learn, then doing this is easy. Okay, now for that, what I'll do is I'll help you with the certain tools, right? What all tools available? What is Canva? I was talking about Canva, right? I'll help you with Canva. Canva license edition you'll get. Then WordPress, you'll have a real-time practice. Now, if you take our students, right, they're working. See, this is a practice websites we create, right? So each of you will get the like this, or else I can easily tell you to go and buy a domain, right? But you need not to do that. We provide you domain. I'll provide you cloud server access where you can design your own websites like this, right? This for the practice. You can do a lot of practice on this, how it works, everything you can learn from here. Okay, so like this you will get. So once you learn this, then we do affiliate marketing on what? These topics. Sorry, 1 second, guys. Prakash. Yes. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. Sorry. Yeah. So once you learn this website design, right? So we'll provide you like this. Every user will get it, on their name, they'll get a practice domain like this, where you guys can practice how to, design a website, even a shopping site for that matter, right? So maybe in the evening session today, we'll cover that, few things, how to design a website, how to, actually work on these things. So once you learn this, doing these things are easy. What I'm talking about, this affiliate process, right? But you guys to get an understanding, I'm showing you this. But we'll be working on something which will not give you just 5%, but 30 to 40%. See, if you say, Prakash, we'll start with Amazon. So basically, we'll be doing practice on Amazon itself starting, right? So Amazon gives you what 0 to 9%, I believe, max. They will pay you 0 to 9%, right? So okay, I'll just give you a heads up here. Affiliate marketing, how it helps is, guys, there are benefits out of it. What all does? You need not to worry about who is buying what, right? That means now today, okay, I'll just show you live example. See, now today I'm planning to buy a washing machine. So what I'll do first thing is I'll go to online and I'll say best washing machine in India, right? Something like this. Now you see here, see the website itself, someone is created bestwashingmachine.co.in. Now if I click on this, you see here, these guys recommending LG, IFB, Samsung. This is like I just shown you, right? See, Rajeshwari, one of our students created this website, right? Similar to this guy created this website. Now, if you see here, Whirlpool, Samsung, LG, and all, right? Now, when I click on this view on Amazon, okay, so it is opening one separate page, right? And it is 10,000 rupees. Now, if you see here, so people who is attending from mobile, you can zoom in and see. I'm highlighting in this address bar something here, right? There is something called tag equal to something, right? What is this basically? This is this person who written that article, right? This article, this is their code basically. You can zoom in and see, right? That means Amazon is tracking who is actually recommended this product. Okay, it is as simple as I came to your place and I asked you, boss, what is the best, restaurant in your area? Okay, so you recommended me to one restaurant. After going there, I gave your name to that restaurant owner, saying that okay, so and so person has referred here, right? Then what will happen? That person will next time when you go there, he'll appreciate you, right? They'll say thanks for you recommended your friend. He came with his friends and done a like 10,000 rupees billing, right? Something like that. So this is as simple as that. Someone is recommending me to go to this Samsung, buy the Samsung washing machine from where? From Amazon. So now Amazon has to know that you recommended them, right? That is called this tracking ID, which is shown as a tag equal to some code here, right? So once you learn, order this, now today, so today I went and ordered this washing machine, right? Then what will happen is after 1 month, I had a problem. Will I call the person who written this blog? No, right? Of course not. What I'll do, I'll call the Whirlpool itself directly and say, boss, I am, or else I'll call Amazon and say, I'm having this problem. I would never call this guy and say, until unless that has a problem from the day one, right? So, but here when he's recommending, he might have done some homework, right? He done some homework on that washing machine and he collected the data. Then he started showing me here, right? This is what affiliate marketing, right? But thing is, these guys pay us what? Maximum 9%. Okay, so that's why I gave you an option of your freedom, your flexibility. That means you can pick any subject you want. Okay, I'm not talking about you have to pick only books. Now, maybe one of you interested in gadgets, right? Headset, headphone, etc. You can pick that one. Or someone is interested in health and beauty care, right? You guys can pick that one. But these guys pay what? 5%. Okay. Now, one is what? Support you need not to worry when you're doing affiliate marketing. So today if you're manufacturing a, okay, not manufacturing, see you are good at making nice cookies, right? Now if you want to market that cookies, you have to spend for advertising, you have to take care of delivery, you take care of quality, right? If someone returns it, you have to go and pick that one. All these headaches are there, right? But when you take a affiliate marketing as a subject, you need not to worry about all these things. That means you written a review about a book. I went and bought that book. Who delivers? Amazon delivers. If I don't like the book, who I have to put a cancellation request? To Amazon, I have to put a cancellation request. right? You need not to worry about delivery. Okay, you need not to worry about cancellation. Right? So this is what affiliate marketing. It's not just Amazon. You take anything. These are not your worries. Right? So is this an easy thing to do, or it will be difficult thing to do? Okay, fine. So this is what affiliate marketing. So when you talk about 0 to 9% in Amazon, we will be actually concentrating on something high ticket values, right? We call high ticket in digital marketing. That will be giving you 30 to 50% margin. That means you recommended a product today, they'll give you 30% incentive just like that. Okay. But that is not easy, guys. You cannot say, Prakash, can we sell that on day one? No. Right? In affiliate marketing, we need a consistency, guys. Okay. Without consistency, we cannot get succeed in affiliate marketing. Okay, that's what we have to be very careful about. Now, if you say, Prakash, I cannot, after 8:30, I cannot work, I'll be able to work on afternoon. Yes, but that afternoon, you have to make it as a practice, discipline. That afternoon, whatever the time you are spending, that has to be strictly maintained. Right? Then only we can actually achieve something here. Right? So now I'll show you one more case study. This is a website called, this is started by Like Us, right? Like me and you, these guys started working from last 4 or 5 years. Now they're making every month revenue like this. Now, okay, not Gayatri, maybe someone else, tell me what is this amount in INR? In the screen, you can see, right, on the right hand side top, $81,000 into INR. How much it is? Yes, Arun, how much it is? Arun, I'm not able to hear you. Guys, you're able to hear me, right?
Yes, sir. It's nearly 6 crores.
Hey, no go. Okay, Bindu, how much is that? $80,000?
Don't have ideas.
Okay, guys, okay, take 70, 75 rupees, right? So it's around 56 lakhs. Okay, so $80,000, guys. So they're making around 55 lakhs per month doing what? Affiliate marketing. So you'll ask me how that is possible, right? So just scroll down here. So they're going to show you the result. See, when the lockdown started, right? That time they're making more than 1.5 crore. See, $2 lakh is what? 1.5 crore in INR, right? So they're in June 2020, they're making $2 lakh. Then 1,79,000. That means almost a crore. Then 1,26,000. Then it came down. But before that, it was less only. In the lockdown time, I mean, when the pandemic started, a lot of people are looking to work online, right? So that time they made huge money. How they are making? Simple affiliate marketing, guys. Okay, you see this one. So I'll show you now one example. See, while doing website design, right, we use something called themes. So one of the paid theme I'll show you here. See, now this theme is costing what? $250, right? Now you say, Prakash, I am good at designing something, right? You design, right? In that design, I'll tell you what are the points to be incorporated. So once you put the design, what we do is we recommend this product to people, right? Of course, you will practice as well. That means I'll give you a login with this theme where you practice yourself. Once you practice on that, you will get to know how this theme works, what all the features are there. Now they are giving two options here. Let us take this higher, which is a lifetime, right? You buy it today, next 5 years, you need not to worry about this. Okay, all the updates, everything you'll get. Now the good thing in this is these guys offer something called like how Amazon is offering that associate process. These guys also have something called affiliate. Now, if I come here, see, earn money by promoting your favorite thing. Now you get what? You get 50% of this. Arun, I cannot hear you if you're. Okay, so you see how much it is. So $250, 50% is how much, guys? Almost
120
8,000. Yes, how much in INR? Around 8,000 rupees somewhere, guys. Okay, so now imagine, now if I'm working for a company, okay, now this is a typical scenario, right? I'll be working for a company which I worked for 12 years, right? Now, if I work as a sales guy, maybe one of you started a company and I'm working as a sales guy in your company, right? Now, if I start working with you and you will give me a target, right? If I'm a sales guy, of course, you'll give me a target saying that, Prakash, this month you have to achieve at least 10 lakh sales. 10 lakhs I have to get a revenue for the company, right? Something like this, you put a target, right? So that means what? Every day I have to meet at least 10 to 20 customers per day. Okay. It starts from the basic to higher level, guys. So we say sales manager, sales director, etc. in big companies. But if you see on a daily basis, right? There are people will come and knock your door, right? To sell vacuum cleaner, which will cost you what? Maybe 20,000 rupees it will cost. So he will have a target, right? So he has to come door to door and knock every person and say, sir, please buy this, madam, can you buy this? And he'll try to demonstrate for them and all, right? Sweating and all. Now, that is a sales guy's job, right? The same thing here I'm telling you, you guys can do it in a smart way, which is called affiliate marketing. And you can start promoting these things by learning these technologies, right? So if I'm a sales guy and if I'm meeting 10 to 20 people a day and I'm able to achieve maybe not 10 lakhs, maybe 5 lakhs if I'm achieving, then I'll get my salary. If not, what will happen? They'll ask me to look for a one more job, right? Now, the same thing I'm telling you, you sit wherever you are. Okay, you need not to travel, you need not to, go to every person. Now, if I know Sriram, I need not to go to Sriram and say, sir, please buy this, right? Sriram also need not to come to me and request me, Prakash, you buy this. What will happen is now Sriram has, or everyone has 1,000 people in front of you. Why? Because you are not going to one person showing this product. You are going to internet and showing. Internet means there are thousands of people every day who is looking for information, who is looking for help, who is looking for guidance, right? For them, you are actually helping, right? Now, when you written a nice content, content means what? You need not to actually invent something new. You have to just practice it. Once you practice it, you will know what is the best things in it. Right? How to use. Right? And what is the like issues you might face. So about these three things, if you write, I'll be keen to learn that, right? So this theme, whatever I'm showing you here, if you're writing about these three things about this theme, when I'm searching in Google, right? Google will show you your blog. Then what will happen? I'll go and open that blog and I'll start reading that. Okay, then I'll understand what is good in this about and how to use it and what are the issues I might face. So if I'm okay with all this, what will happen? I might go and buy that thing. Then how much you made? You made 8,000 rupees. I mean, sale is around 20,000 rupees, but you made what? 8,000 rupees right away. You get your incentive here. Okay, so you need not to go and request every person, saying that you need not to go to your friends or family. This is a good product. Why don't you buy? You have internet. You have a power in your hand. You can go to your blog. If you're writing good, not 1,000, 10,000 people will be seeing your blog. Right? So you target one sale a day now. I'm not talking about you meet 10, 20 customers, right? You're meeting 1,000 customers a day here. In typical scenario, you can meet only 10 people a day. because you're going physically, right? But here your blog is actually reaching 10, not 1,000, maybe 10,000 people it will reach. So you just take one sale per day average. Okay, so now how much you made? 2.5 lakhs here itself you made easily, right? Again, I'm telling you guys, it's not an easy job. It's not that not easy means you cannot expect day one. Okay, don't think that Prakash, can we do this within a 1 week, 2 weeks? Not like that. First, you have to create the trust with people. How to create that trust? That's what we are going to learn in the digital marketing. Right? I gave you a simple example, right? When people start looking at you, you have to help them first. Start helping them first. That's what I'm doing it here right now. Okay, of course, I'm not asking you to guys to buy something here. Don't worry. Here, what are the tools required? You will be able to get that one, right? Canva, Grammarly, WordPress login. That means you need not to buy a domain. Normally, when we are teaching people, right, what we'll be telling is, we'll tell people to buy a domain. So if you want to run your own website, you need to have a domain, right? Then you need to have a hosting. So I'll show you one example here. See, this plan is costing $5 a month. That means what? 350 rupees per month, right? 75 rupees if I take, 350 rupees per month. Now, these guys are paying you $50 per sale. That means if you become an affiliate with these guys, they're paying you $50 per sale. $50 is how much, guys? See, the actual plan is costing $4.99, which is maybe 350 rupees per month. But he is giving you $50 incentive, which is 3,500 rupees. How it is possible? Anyone can answer this? Okay, so this 350 rupees when he's selling, right? He's not selling you for 1 month, guys. He's showing you 350 rupees per month. If you're buying for 3 years minimum, or at least 1 year or something like that, condition will be there. That's why they're giving you for a lesser amount. If you're buying for a monthly plan, right, they'll ask you to pay $15 per month. Okay, so this is how it is. So, domain will be costing 1,000 rupees a year in INR. Then hosting will cost you 6,000 rupees, but you have to buy for 3 years. That is will cost you 18,000 rupees. Then you can get this commission. When you sell a person a hosting, which is 18,000 rupees, then you can. So now, since you guys are attending my program, right, I'm giving you free classes. Now I can tell you, guys, go and buy this hosting on your own domain. Then I'll give you classes to how to create a website. Then easily I can make 3,500 rupees per reference. Right. Not only that, they actually increase if the sale increases, count increases. That means, see, right now, 8 people are there in our training session, in this current session, right? So I have other batch, 20 people are there. Now, if I do 20 sales per month, it is $100 per sale. That means what? I can actually make 20 students are buying this program, 20 into 100. How much I made? $2,000, right? Which is 1.5 lakhs in INR. Right? This is what these people are doing. See, this Bluehost is something like that. So these guys are making money when they're teaching people, right? People start trusting them. People start listening to them. So now when they recommend something, right, they'll go and blindly buy it. Whether they complete that process or not, that is secondary. Okay. That means now today, when you attend the session, when you see the program and all, you will be motivated, right? You'll be showing interest to continue the program. but after 1 week you had some problem or something, you gave up. Then whatever you buy it, right, these all will go waste, right? So these guys are making money like that. Okay, so this 18,000 rupees when you buy it, I make like this, I can make huge money. So here we don't have that restriction saying that you have to buy it. Only thing is you guys first learn it. So for learning also, I am providing you the resources. I'm not saying that you have to pay for the resources or you have to pay for the training and all. Once you learn the training, I mean, once you attend this program and learn the skills, right? Thing is, you have to work with us for at least 2 years. That is the only thing we are expecting. And that doesn't mean you have to work with me only. You can do your own projects as well. I don't have any problem. There's no restriction saying that no, you cannot work on your own projects. Right? You can work on your projects and all, but only thing is you have to be with us at least for 2 years. That's the only thing. Okay, so we have another 10 minutes now. I'll be giving you certain tasks, but before that, I want you guys to have, if you have any questions, please ask. Any questions, guys? Arun, I'm not sure if you're able to speak or something, but I'm not able to hear you. You can text me if you have any questions, Arun. Mr. Sriram, any questions?
No, Prakash. No.
Okay, Bindu? Bindu, no questions?
No, sir.
Okay, so you got a clarity, Bindu, right? You sent email, right? So
Yeah.
you got some clarity, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Arun, you saying you missed some time in class, right? Don't worry, we'll cover it. See, today's a starting, right? So I just taken a basic understanding for the people who missed the introduction session. So Gayatri, I am hoping you are clear.
Yes, I am clear.
Cool. Ramesh?
Yes, sir. I'm clear.
Super, Ramesh. Aruna, any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. So guys, are you comfortable with the timings? See, this is actually for the people who is working or students and all. So we'll be having 2 sessions for you guys, like morning and evening. And now what I would request is before evening session, I want you guys to have a basic understanding about say what is WordPress, what is Canva. Okay. Okay. Forget about WordPress. Maybe WordPress will take it next level. Okay. Canva and Grammarly. Okay. You guys can create a free accounts in this Canva and Grammarly. Use your Gmail account and create it. And in Canva, try to do something and share it with me. Okay. So before having, evening again, 7 to 8:30, we'll have a session. So remaining time, when you want to practice, you guys decide. Okay, actually 2 hours I want to plan, but morning I'm having a class already, so I cannot take continuously for 3-4 hours. That's why I taken 1.5 hour. But I would request you guys to work for at least half an hour to 1 hour, after the session and try to practice or what all we're doing. Okay, then only we can actually, get the things in better way. If we don't practice whatever we're doing, right, it will not going to be helpful for us. So please, I request you guys, since you guys putting efforts to attend this early program and all, I would request you to practice whatever we're doing. If you guys need some support resources, you can ask me, right? Don't hesitate or don't feel anything silly, right? If you guys have any basic question also, you can buzz me anytime. Okay, guys. Even if I miss it, if there is a message, right, we can discuss when we get on a call or something. But don't miss to practice things. Okay, that's only my request. So today what you do is, what is Canva, what is Grammarly? Maybe in Canva you create something. Okay, evening you guys brief me. Okay, Sorry. Evening, you guys brief me what it is, how it helps and all, so that from there we'll get to the next level. Okay. And what are the session, whatever we discuss, if you guys have any questions, please text me. We can discuss. If not in the group, if you guys wanted to discuss with me directly, we can discuss. Right, guys? Okay. So these are the two topics I'm giving you for you guys to prepare. What is Canva? What is Grammarly? How it will help? Maybe in Canva you try to create something and share it with me. Fine, guys. So if all of you uploaded the documents, right? Once the documents uploaded, you'll be getting the Office 365 ID. Maybe in 1 or 2 days, the license will be activated. So I would request all of you to complete the process. Fine, guys. So if you guys don't have any questions, let us close the session, and I'll see you in the evening 7 o'clock. Aruna, you want to ask something?
Oh, sir. But I want to this session again. When can I?
Aruna, I didn't get you. Where are you from?
I'm from Telangana.
Okay. No. Telangana, ekkada?
Kodada. Near to Vijayawada. 3 hours journey will be there.
Oh, no. Okay.
This session, I think I missed half an hour.
It's okay, Aruna. See, మనం ఈరోజు ఓన్లీ బేసిక్ చూస్తున్నాము, ఎందుకంటే కొంతమంది ఫుల్ సెషన్ అటెండ్ ఇంట్రడక్షన్ సెషన్ అటెండ్ కాలేదు. దానికోసం నేను బేసిక్ గా స్టార్టింగ్ నుంచి చెప్పాను. బట్ డోంట్ వరీ, విల్ కవర్ ఇట్. మనము గోయింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఎవ్రీ సబ్జెక్ట్ కూడా కవర్ చేస్తాము.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so don't worry. Even Arun, don't worry about half an hour session what you missed. We'll be covering that. So evening 7 o'clock, I'll see you guys then. Okay, but anytime if you guys have a question, any support needed, please give me a bell. Okay, does anyone don't have a laptop in the current?
I don't have.
You don't have. Okay, fine. So Aruna, have you filled the application?
I think yes. I'll check out once again.
Okay, so guys, you have my number, right?
Yeah.
So this is my WhatsApp number. You guys can text me, with your challenges and all. Then Aruna, please text me. And who's referred you, Aruna? You have an idea?
I think firstly, Gayatri is my friend. She
Okay. Fine. Then done. We'll get on to that again. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
So today, thanks. So guys, Canva and Grammarly is the topics. Please prepare that. Please understand. I'm not asking you guys to teach me on that. Just get a basic understanding what is Canva, what is Grammarly. Okay. So evening when I see you, we can discuss further on these tools.
Thank you so much, Anna.
Yeah. Thanks, Gayatri. Fine, guys. Have a nice day. Have a nice week ahead. I'll see you in the evening.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye.